Hey Stu, 4 o'clock crown at the dive watcher. I just wanted to show this new strap I got. I've always liked the Alpine orange Alpine strap that comes on the Apple Watch Ultra and Ultra 2, and this is an Alpine type sport loop strap. As you can see, it wraps around itself on the back end and it hooks in down here. So but it's orange. I got the orange. I like the orange color. Looks good with this Seiko SLA075. But I wanted to show this to you on the Alpine. I did a video short of it too, but it's pretty cool. It's very comfortable. I may try to find one that's more true to, like, maybe the OEM Apple. I think this, I don't know if this is, I don't really like the end pieces being plastic. So that being said, I'm going to search and see if I can find a better or closer one to the OEM type and a better made one. But this is a look nonetheless, and it looks pretty cool. As you can see, it's different. It gives it a different look. And so I just wanted to show this to you. And I also put up on my community page that I'm building a smartwatch. I bought a Samsung smartwatch, and I just bought a new Samsung phone. So I've used Samsung for years, but I got the smartwatch, so I'm fixing to build a custom smartwatch and put it together to make it look like a dive watch. And I'll have to show you the dial if it still exists that I'll use. That really, you almost cannot tell the difference. But I'm going to be custom building that, so stay tuned. Ordered a bezel for the Samsung smartwatch and everything, so I'll put that up on my community page. But here's the Alpine Sport Loop Band strap on the Seiko SLA075. Looks pretty good. That's how thick it is. It's very comfortable, and so stay tuned for more. I may be doing a live stream tonight. I'm thinking about if you guys want to join up, maybe around 9 p.m. Central Standard Time. All right, take care. Appreciate all the support, all the kind words who reached out over the last week or last few days of what transpired. Sometimes you just get fed up, and you just got to dish it back out, and that's what I did. And I meant that at none of you that remain loyal and stay true and have been respectful. I respect that, and I appreciate that, and you will always have my respect. Those who cannot be respectful and that need to be mean and rude for no reason at all, like my post said, can move on, unsubscribe, go away, don't watch, keep your mouth shut. But you guys have been great. Thank you. Peace.